What's going on YouTube? This is Tyler again from Fare From Scratch, and today we're going to be making thin crust buffalo chicken pizza on a tortilla. All we need for this recipe is a tortilla that fits your cast iron pan, some cheese, butter, ranch or blue cheese, chicken, and some regular hot sauce. I went with Texas Pete's here. First, we're going to start by making our buffalo sauce, which is as easy as mixing a quarter cup of melted butter with a cup of hot sauce. We're going to reserve half of this for the pizza sauce and leave the rest in the pan so we can buffalo our chicken. In the meantime, while we're dressing our chicken, turn your oven's broiler to high. Next, it's time for us to lightly grease our pan with a little bit of oil and wipe away any excess that may be left over. Turn your stove up to medium-high heat and it's time to act fast. We're going to add our tortilla to the pan and immediately sauce this guy all the way to the edge so that no tortilla is showing. Next, we're going to add our buffalo chicken, our cheese, and any additional toppings you may see fit. I like to add some green and red bell peppers to brighten up the pizza a little bit. Now, while we're dressing the pizza, this tortilla is going to get nice and crispy on the bottom and give you almost the exact same texture as a thin crust pizza made with dough. You will literally not be able to tell the difference, I promise you. Once you notice the bottom beginning to crisp up a little bit, just take the entire pan and slide it into your top oven rack to broil. This is going to melt the cheese and continue to crisp up the pizza in a beautiful way. Check on it every couple of minutes, and when it looks ready, you should be left with a sizzling wonderland that looks like this. Now, I got a little excited here and probably should have let the pizza set in the pan for a minute or two because some of the cheese decided to droop off. No worries though, it's still going to taste amazing. Now all that's left is to top your pizza with ranch or blue cheese and slice it up for serving. I should probably invest in a pizza cutter. Now this right here is the money shot. As you can see, there's absolutely no flop and the bottom of the pizza is a lovely golden brown, reminiscent of a thin crust bar pizza. If you're with a group of people, I recommend making a few of these. It works extremely well as a traditional pizza with mozzarella and pepperoni as well. And that's all there is to it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and have a wonderful day.